You look like a little girl. Good morning. Good morning. This is a different type of video. I woke up this morning. I took a look at myself. Last night, I put my hair in the front up. And I looked in the mirror and I said to myself, you look like a little girl. Started thinking about things that were age appropriate. Now, I've decided to wear my hair like this today. And so my question to you is this age appropriate? Am I really ready for work? Should I be wearing my hair in this style at this age? Now, I have adjusted it a little bit because what I did at first was I had most of this up in the top. And so today, I'm just coming for your opinion. I like it. I like looking younger. And the purpose is to keep my hair out of my face. Now that it's getting longer, it's more difficult to keep it out of my face. As a matter of fact, during one of my classes yesterday, I was picking up a kindergarten class, I think it was kindergarten. And the aide said, Miss Goodwin, I see you throwing that hair out of your face. And I realized that I was doing that often because as I'm leaning down or looking down at my computer, my hair was dropping in my face. And so that's the reason I decided to pull it back in this way into a very quick style. My question is it age appropriate? Now, you know, I'm not old. I don't know when I would consider someone as being old. That's it, guys. Age appropriate. Is it age appropriate? I want to hear what you have to say in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day. And remember that I'm a sister. I love my locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers. I love my followers on Instagram, and I especially love God. This week I've been focusing on the goodness of God, and I'm in a women's group. I'll talk to you about that later.